I have traveled a lot, but on reaching the Republic of Peru, I noticed it is the most interesting country in the world, from the people to what they eat, using names of fruits as means of communication, and so on. I will let you know a little about this interesting country. Peru is a country in South America that is home to a segment of Amazon rainforest and Machu Picchu, an old Incan city high in the Andes Mountains. The area around Machu Picchu, including the Holy Valley, Inca Trail and frontier city of Cusco, is wealthy in archaeological locales. On Peru's dry Pacific coast is Lima, the capital, with a safeguarded pioneer place and significant assortments of pre-Columbian craftsmanship. Peru is the third biggest country in South America, after Brazil and Argentina. It is comprised of different scenes, from mountains and seashores to deserts and tropical jungles. A great many people live along the shore of the Pacific Sea, where the capital, Lima, is found. Along Peru's west coast is a tight segment of desert 1,555 miles (2,500 kilometers) in length. Old individuals, called the Chimu and the Nazca, first possessed this locale millennia prior. The seaside desert makes up around 10% of Peru. However, it is home to the greater part, everything being equal. The world's biggest tropical jungle, the Amazon, covers almost 50% of Peru, called the selva in Spanish. This gigantic wilderness, which additionally covers half of Brazil, is home to plants and creatures that don't reside elsewhere on the planet. A few researchers figure there might try and be Indian clans there that have never seen the rest of the world. The second most elevated mountain range on the planet goes through Peru. These pinnacles, called the Andes, are so tall and restricting that the old Inca individuals thought they were divine beings. They run from north to south and should be visible from Peru's sea shores 50 miles, 80 kilometers, toward the west. The most noteworthy pinnacle, Mount Huascaran, is 22,205 feet, 6,768 meters. High. Individuals of Peru are a blend of a wide range of societies, including Indians, Spaniards and different Europeans, relatives of African slaves, and Asians. Up to this point, a great many people lived in the open country. However, presently, in excess of 70% live in urban communities. Most Peruvians follow the Catholic religion presented by the Spanish, since it has such countless various biological systems. Peru is home to a more extensive assortment of plants and creatures than most different nations on the planet. For some reasons, Peruvians have not affected their regular world, as numerous different nations, and quite a bit of these environments have been undisturbed. A 250 section of land, 100-hectare, plot of Peruvian tropical jungle, is home to an excess of 6,000 sorts of plants. There are many species that are just tracked down in the Amazon. To safeguard these plants and creatures, Peru has made extraordinary woodland regions called holds. On the Pacific coast, many intriguing plant and creature species have adjusted to the dry desert environment. Also, off the coast, the Peru ebb and flow feeds tremendous quantities of little fish, which thus support enormous populaces of greater fish and seabirds, including Humboldt penguins. Peru's mountains support unique sorts of grasses and plants, which give food to warm-blooded animals like llamas, alpacas, and vicuñas. One plant that fills in the Andes, the Paya ramondi, develops for 100 years prior to blossoming. Follow this channel to receive more updates about this interesting country in South America, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification